YouTubers, Facebookers, this is Jeremy with Echo Orange, and today we want to clean a tub for you. I know it's spring cleaning and we're all dreading all of the spring cleaning work detail, but we've got something special for you today, so let's go ahead and get started and we'll show you what we've got. So it's that time of year again. It's spring cleaning time. And I know that there are certain things around my house that we've neglected over the past few months since it was winter. And today we're going to show you how to clean soap scum bathtub, just dirty, dirty tub. So I've got a 5-to-1 solution of Echo Orange, and I've got it in a spray bottle here. And we're going to go ahead and we'll show you what we've got going on here in the bathtub and shower. So feast your eyes. Alright, well, I'll zoom in on it, but my wife plays volleyball, so this is sand and I don't know, all that nasty shit. Look at that. It's just hard water buildup. So we're going to show you how to get rid of all of that with Echo Orange today. Alright, well, we've got our solution ready, and we're going to go ahead and we're just going to spray the area that we want to clean, and we're going to clean it all. We're going to spray all the metal, we'll spray the wall, we're going to spray the inside of the tub, and I'm probably going to zoom out. And I'm just going to let this sit for a minute where I can get a nice picture of what we've got going on here. Alright, so we've let that sit long enough, and I'm just going to use a just a regular little foot brush, and we're going to come in here and we're just going to use that to kind of into this area. It'll help get around all of this nasty stuff here. And the nice thing about being in the tub is you just turn on the water when you need it. And if you look, it's already removed all of that junk and gunk and who knows what. And that came off really painlessly. And if you ever need to add more, you can just spray right over top of what you've already done as well, if you need to. You just get right in there with the brush, and that stuff will just come right off. So that could have been, I honestly don't even want to say it, but it might have even been some sort of mold. So, and I'm telling you, I neglected cleaning the bathroom, and I'm an OCD kind of guy, and I did it on purpose so that we would have some material to show you for spring cleaning. Now if you look, that is so much better. And we can clean that off. Right there. And it's all nice and clean. You didn't see it off camera because I was recording zoomed in, but I did the shower nozzle and the little water spout there as well. But the stuff came right off. So what we're going to do now is we're going to focus in on this area of the tub. It's been soaking for a little bit. I'm going to spray a little bit more because I did turn the water on, and I may have got some of the efficacy of the may have diluted it a little too much, but we're just going to go in a circular motion here with our brush. And I know most of you will probably end up getting in your kit, you're going to get a sponge. And so we'll just go ahead and use that sponge as well. We'll just show you how Echo Orange just breaks all of that up. And you can see there the difference between those two pieces. So you can see how that changed the color of that entire piece in the tub. So now we'll go right over here to the ring, and same thing. We'll just keep using the sponge. Clear that up. Lift that up. You just kind of rinse that a little bit, and you can see the difference in the tub there. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the tub because I need to. So, okay guys, well, with about 10 minutes of time and a little bit of sweat, I got the tub cleaned the way that I like it. I'm excited to have my tub back. I didn't want to do that, but here, let's get turned around here. And so that's the new tub, all cleaned up. It's actually the old tub, all cleaned up. But that's what it looks like after about 10 minutes of cleaning it up with Echo Orange. And you don't know how excited I am. I waited way too long to do this video, to do a spring cleaning video for Echo Orange. But the results are well worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe below. If you have any comments, questions, please feel free to leave comments below, or you can email us at info@echoorange.com. Check us out at www.echoorange.com. And you can order yours on Amazon as well. We'll leave a link in the description below. And again, thanks for watching, guys, and happy spring cleaning.